Albert Einstein in 1905. The theory of relativity is a nation that the laws of physics are the same everywhere. The theory explains the behavior of objects in space and time, and it can be used to predict everything from the existence of black holes to the light bending due to gravity, to the behavior of the planet Mercury in its orbits. The theory is deceptively simple. First, there's no absolute frame of reference. Every time you measure an object's velocity or its momentum or how it experiences time, it's always in relation to something else. Second, the speed of light is the same no matter who measures it or how fast the person measuring it is going. Third, nothing can go faster than light.
The implications of Einstein's most famous theory are the profound. If the speed of light is always the same, it means that an astronaut going very fast relative to the Earth will measure the seconds ticking by slower than an earthbound. Observe well, time essentially slows down for the astronaut.
Any object in a big gravity field is accelerating, so it will also experience time dilation. Meanwhile, the astronaut spaceship will experience length contraction, which means that if you took a picture of the spacecraft as it flew by, it would look as though it were squished in the direction of motion. To the astronaut on board, however, all would seem normal. In addition, the mass of spaceship would appear to increase from the point of view of people on Earth.
As a result of these principles, Einstein deduced that there is not fixed frame of reference in the universe. Everything is moving relative to everything else. Hence Einstein's theory of relativity. It is known as special relativity because it applies only to special cases. Frames of reference in constant, unchanging motion. In 1915, Einstein published the general theory of relativity, which applies to firms that are accelerating with regard to each other.
But you don't necessarily need a spaceship zooming at near the speed of light to see relativistic effects. In fact, there are several instances of relativity that we can see in our daily lives, and even technology we use today that demonstrate that Einstein was right. There was some ways we say relativity in action.